Hello everyone. On this video we are going to talk about how to install Perfex, the latest version extended license. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the price is 295. So there is another like website you can get this extended license, that is AutoScript Hub. You can just write here Perfex. Okay, just click on that and search now, and you will get this listing. Click on that and this is the extended license. Just you can pay just $30 and you will get this extended license for this Perfex, the latest version. Click buy now. Okay, and you will get this script. You can check out with PayPal or by Stripe. Okay, by your credit or debit card, and you will get this script. Okay, so after paying you will get this script, and you can try to do as I will explain right now. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is that I already installed this script in my domain name, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna like show you how to install it step by step. I'm gonna just show you what I got from this website, from this script. I'm sorry. So let me try to log out first. Okay, this is the part of admin. Let me try to, this is the credentials. Let me log in. And here is the Perfex latest version extended license. As you can see guys, there's a lot of tools here, there's a lot of analytics. Okay, here you can manage your customers, here you can like add a new customer, and we have here like sales. You can make proposals, estimates, invoices, payments, wherever credit notes, items. Okay, and here we have the subscriptions. If you want to manage subscriptions, here if you want to manage expenses, here if you want to create and manage your contracts, and there is a lot of tools. I cannot like explain everything. So here in the setup you can set up your own business. Okay guys, so let me like take a look at projects. Here tasks, the supports list, limit request, whatever. Okay guys, so here this is the best CRM. It's by the way, a CRM is not a SaaS, but it's a CRM, open source CRM. So it's perfect, it's powerful, you can manage your business. Okay guys, so now let me take a look how you can install the script step by step. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is that after like paying the amount $40, and you will get the script from AutoScript Hub, you will get this files. You will get perfectcrm.zip, and after extracting you will get this Perfex CRM source code, and you will get this documentation. Okay guys, so now let me tell you how to install it. Let me close this first. Let me close this code canyon, and let me close this, or just let it as it is right now. Okay, let me go to Hostinger. Okay, the first thing is that I'm gonna show you how to install this script using Hostinger. Okay, so the first thing is that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna leave a link down below of this video of Hostinger. If you don't have Hostinger before, you can click on that link to get a great discount. Okay, so guys, let me now go to my domain name. This is my domain, ajitscan.com. I'm going to click a dashboard. Okay, so clicking on dashboard, you're going through file manager. Okay, click on file manager. Now here in the file manager we're gonna try to upload our file, this zip file. Okay, we're gonna try to upload it right there. I'm gonna show you how to install that. Go inside the public HTML. Let me delete everything. Just I'm going to unselect Perfex CRM. Okay, all right, just to start from the beginning. Now this I already uploaded here. Okay, so just take this perfectcrm.zip into here. If you don't know how, just click on this icon, click file, and go through this. Okay, let me just copy all of that and paste it in here. All right, and click on Perfex CRM, open. That's it, and it's gonna be uploaded it here. Okay, I already did it. Okay, now what we have to do is that click on this and click on extract, right dot, and click extract. This is the first thing you should do. Go inside Perfex CRM, select all, click this icon for move, click those two dots, click move. Okay, you will find this folder Perfex CRM, click delete and click delete. Okay, now it's great. Now what we have to do is just go in again to Hostinger and click on database, a database of this domain name. Okay, guys, if you don't know how to do all of these things, I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp down below. You can contact me so I can do everything for you. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys, so click on databases. Now I already have this. Okay, let me try to create another database. Let me see, for example, Perfex. Okay, let me paste again, and this is the password that I put, and click on create, and the database is created. Okay, now let me go to my domain name. Now click on that and go to it. Perfex is not installed, so what you should do is click on this, or just paste here /install and click on OK. Now just make sure everything is enabled. Go to files and folders permission, everything is okay, click on set up database. Now what we have to do is go into Hostinger and let me copy the database that I already created. Click copy, go to database here, database name, go to username and pass the password. It's bin123 that I just put for this database, and check database. Great. Now success with let me go through again to admin panel. Put your first name, name. This is just an example. Email admin@gmail.com. Let me go through the password, like admin, for example. Repeat password admin, time zone. Let me put for example USA. Let me just America, Argentina. There's no problem, just put whatever you want here. Okay, click install. Great, installation successful, and now everything is powerful. So if you want to go through the customers page of logins, you can just click on this. Okay, this is for client, delete the install folder. Great. Now just close this, go again to public HTML, go to this folder install and click this icon for delete. Okay, and delete. Again, go again and let me click on these clients and you will get this perfect. But I don't have any client right now, that's why I'm going to click on /admin. Okay, here I already created an admin account, okay, on the installation. So now I'm gonna just click on login, and it will take you to this dashboard. As you can see, guys, the Perfex extended license is installed perfectly. Okay, this is the latest version. Perfect, guys. So I showed you how to get this script with a cheap price from AutoScript Hub. You will get this script, install it, download it, and you're gonna try to install it via Hostinger. If you don't already have Hostinger, I will put the link down below. Click on that and you will get the best discount. Try to do this step by step and try to install it for yourself and start your business and start managing your own business, or trying to sell it again to another customer. Okay, guys, this is how it's going on with this video. Give it a like, give me a comment if you have any question, or put my WhatsApp. You can contact me if you have any other problems. Okay, if you don't know how to set up, how to install, you can contact me. I will do everything for you. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and stay tuned.